Guys, so Bitcoin right now is at 83,000. We have a extreme fear, 17 points only from the 100. Now I will explain you why I am super bullish on Bitcoin, and I will be talking about price action as well. First of all, these are the main things why you should be bullish on Bitcoin and for the whole crypto industry is because first of all, what strategic Bitcoin reserve means and what basically changed is that other countries will buy Bitcoin and other countries are already buying. El Salvador, Belarus, Bhutan. There are many countries that are talking about. We have basically wealth managers will now how to talk about Bitcoin and crypto to their basically clients, financial institutions, how to offer crypto, basically trading and investment options, uh, pensions, endowments. Fear of the USA selling is gone because USA is keeping all the Bitcoin and they will most likely buy more. And one bullish fact is that as soon as they start talking about buying Bitcoin, that's when everything will go crazy. And right now, people are basically fed up and scared because USA is not actually buying all the Bitcoin that they have confiscated. They basically kept. So, but that is still not buying. As soon as Donald Trump mentions buying, crypto will go insane. That's why these are the last prices. We may go to 72,000, 74,000, but if you are looking at that previous all-time high was around 64, 69,000. That's why this is the basically 72, 74,000 is the moment where I will be buying heavy. Right now, I am still patient. If we go up, good. If we go down, I will be buying as crazy because 74 is really low. And again, I'm looking at that last all-time high. And still, there are many bullish facts like USA will likely buy more, which I agree. States already, Texas, basically announced, confirmed that they will be, basically the Bitcoin reserve is accepted and they will most likely buy. The Utah also, I think, approved the Bitcoin reserves. That's why the states are already in a positions to buy. Soon countries will follow, banks will follow. And yeah, the most bullish fact is that probability the government outlaws Bitcoin is definitively zero. The most important part is that there are so many lawsuits from SEC that basically are dismissed, like 10 plus, because Coinbase had a SEC lawsuit, and there were many, but all of these were dismissed, which is insane. Now, basically, crypto businesses and companies can invest money freely. They will not be scared to be put in jail or just debanked like they were in the last 4 years. That's why we are still in the start of the biggest bull run ever, because nothing like this has happened since history of Bitcoin. And what I want to show you, some bullish news, is first of all, Spain's second largest bank, BBVA, gets approval to launch Bitcoin trading and custody services. And why I'm bullish is because here you can see, after completing this formality, the bank is preparing to launch its offering for its retail customers. So normal people like you and me, which will be able to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think that's why Trump is buying so much Ethereum, because he knows that there will be people buying Ethereum and Bitcoin. And yeah, this is really great because people that don't understand nothing about investments or crypto, now banks will be basically advertising that you can buy crypto with them. They will most likely earn on fees, but that's okay because the Bitcoin and Ethereum and the crypto price will be starting to go up. That's what I'm telling you. That everything that happened on March 7th is the biggest thing. It doesn't reflect that price because people wanted for USA to buy, but that doesn't matter. We will be starting to go up slowly but surely. And again, we are basically on a basically 72, 74,000 is in my opinion, the lowest that we can go, because there will be a high, basically a buying pressure coming in. Right now, people are still skeptical, but the price will not dump that low. That's basically my opinion. Now, next thing that will happen is that Michael Saylor announces 21 billion ATM program to sell preferred stock using proceeds for Bitcoin acquisitions and corporate purposes, which means he wants to buy $21 billion worth of Bitcoin right now. And lastly, I want to show you this. These are basically the fundraising. And here you can see how much money has been raised for different crypto projects. Like here you can see Dragonfly Capital is investing 10 million. Anderson Horowitz A16Z invested 7 million. You have again Dragonfly Capital 28 million, 15 million, 50 million invested from Ripple, 87 million from Evo Fund. And here you can see in the last 4 days, we have $224 million invested in crypto projects. And that's why I'm bullish, is because the next 4 years will most definitely be bullish for crypto. There will be no like weird instances where you see CEOs of crypto projects debanked, their basically funds freezed, or they are basically put in jail, put in some different lawsuits. So really, really bullish on the upcoming months. And yeah, maybe in summer we will go to a stagnation. I think we will see a big drop for some reason. Then we will just go basically in stagnation for a few months. But I could be wrong. Don't believe anything that you see on basically content creators, because no one can predict anything in these crypto markets. And you can see it right now. Everyone was predicting bull market starting in January, February, March. And even with all the bullish news, we are still not going up. But overall, I am extremely bullish on this industry. And here you can see again everything that why you should be bullish as well, because all the countries will follow USA as they always do. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay bullish on crypto. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell. So every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.